Nandito lang ako sa garden ko. Kami ni Molly. Molly is next to me. Hi. I'm just having some coffee. It's still cold, but it's not that cold. So I can have a coffee just in the garden, just listening to the birds. I'm not sure if naka-frame ba ako. Anyway, let me just put you there so you can see the scenery. And then I'm having pandesal with Nutella. My friend baked this bread yesterday, and then binigyan niya ako. Oh, so yummy. Let me just move you a bit. Molly's there. Can you see her head? Look at those she's top. Maganda dito sa likod sa bahay namin pag summer na kasi naka-decking. Yung higa-higa ka lang. This is so good. And you can hear people passing by. Kasi sa likod may madaanan siya. Ito nga pala yung skin ko guys. Ang dami ko spots. But it doesn't matter. Skin yan eh. And oily yung tingnan yung buhok ko. Well, oily talaga siya because nag-apply ako ng oil bago ako mag-shower. Let me just put you down so you can see more of Molly. Hindi talaga interesado si Molly sa pinagagawa ko. Interesado lang siya sa tinapay. So, bibigyan ko siya. Hindi pwede ang dog ng chocolate. Like, human chocolate. May chocolate naman para sa dog, but you have to buy it separately. There's the tinapay. There's the Nutella. It's oozing. It's so good. That's my coffee. When you are a dog lover or you own a pet, the love that the dog gave you is unconditional. Oh. What's that? That's a bird. Okay. No, when spring na kasi lumalabas na talaga tong mga to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanila. Ito yung nakikita ko pag pag Pasko ata. They're all out now. It's so beautiful. Weather. There's the birds singing. And there's Molly. Hi, Moles. What are you up to today? Molly May. Moles. What are you up to today? Did you do anything? Is Molly having a good girl? Look at her eyes. Look at those eyes. Molly being a good girl? Moles. Shall we go inside? Molly May. Why are you so maldita? Bye. Bye. I'm just cooking some rice. Oh my goodness. Oh. That's a bit intense. Anyway, That's rice cooking, and I'm eating it with adobo, chicken adobo. Luluto lang ako ng adobong manok. So, ito yung lulutuin ko. Yan. Tapos, ito yung tira ko the other day na may kalabasa siya. Kakainin ko din siya mamaya. But, lulutuin ko muna itong chicken adobo. Some black pepper, and I will add some liquid seasoning as well. You're shaking. Okay, and then I will add some soy sauce. I only do tancha-chancha. I don't like, you know, I don't really measure them. I don't really do that. Water. And salang time.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Guys, di ko alam kung weird ba ako, but ito talaga ginagawa ko. Pag nagluluto ako ng adobong chicken, piniprito ko siya, tapos binabalik ko siya sa kanyang sauce. Ayan, para mag-brown yung skin. Am I the only one? Weird ba ako? Wow. I don't know. But that's what I do. Oopsie. Yan, pinabrown ko lang yung skin niya. Ito ang ibig ko sabihin kasi ayoko kasi sa manok na yung maputi siya. So, gusto ko yung may konting brown. Yan. There. Tapos, yan. Tapos, i-brown ko yung kabila. And then, ibabalik ko siya here sa kaldero na kumukulo pa. You get right. Ito na siya. Yummers! Tapos, I'm just gonna take a shower and then I will eat. So, I just finished shower. And ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys what I use for my daytime skincare routine. Kasi umiba na naman yung skincare ko. So, ito yung cleanser ko, the Olay Micellar Water. Konti lang kasi I don't have makeup on anyway. And it's just to, you know, just to cleanse a little bit. Kasi yung face ko, it's ano na naman eh, it's clean na. Yan, so nothing. So, I'm gonna let it dry and then I use the vitamin C serum. This is from Boots. Just spray. This smells so good. I look like I'm naked, but I'm not. I'm not naked. Just apply. And then once it's dry, then I will apply my moisturizer. Let's apply my moisturizer. So this is moisturizer, my moisturizer. So this is the Olay. I love Olay. I use Olay I don't know how many years now. And this is the 7-in-1 anti-aging moisturizer. There. I think I need to get the one with the SPF. I'm just gonna be honest, I don't use sunblock inside the house because I don't really go out. But I need to get like a proper like sunblock. Don't forget your neck, your chest. Okay, I've been rubbing my like, what is this called? My chest. You know, it's gotten really red. And that's it. That's my morning routine. I mean, I've got some spots, but it's the skin. What can I do? I'm not gonna stress about it. It will just go away. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna dry my hair and then I'm gonna go downstairs, eat my food, and that's it for today. And then we're just gonna chill. So I will see you guys next time on my next video.
Bye. Have a good day.